Luis, great to have you. A lot of people know the app, but not a lot of people understand the business model and the data behind it. So tell us, first of all, about this testing business that you grew during the pandemic and how that reflects the whole approach that Duolingo is taking.
Well, first of all, thank you for having me here. Yeah, a lot of people know the app. We're the most popular way to learn languages in the world. We're an app. You can use us in Android phones and iPhones. And just to give you an idea of our scale, there are more people learning languages on Duolingo in the United States than there are people learning languages across all U.S. high schools combined. As a business, we're also a really good business. The way we make money is, you can use Duolingo entirely for free. You can use it as much as you want. But if you use it for free, just like with something like Spotify, you may have to see some ads at the end of a lesson. We make money from ads. And also we make money from paying subscriptions. So you can subscribe to turn off the ads. It's kind of a premium version of Duolingo. We make the majority of our revenue from the subscriptions. And by now, we're the top grossing app in the education category in both Android phones and iPhones. And even before the pandemic, over the last 4 years, we've been more than doubling our revenue. And of course, we did get an increased interest from the pandemic. But basically, our growth rates we were growing before the pandemic. We got a bump during the pandemic. And then as the pandemic eased up a little bit, we went down. And then by now, we're just growing in the same pre-pandemic way as before.
And Luis, we were just talking about Microsoft and the flexibility that software offers, whether you're in person, whether you're hybrid, whether you're remote. And in a sense, that's what a lot of institutions had to adopt when it came to testing during the pandemic. And I'm thinking specifically about English proficiency tests. They weren't so eager to adopt testing methods that were remote and that were software driven, but they did through Duolingo during the pandemic, right?
Yeah, so another one of our products, so most people know us through the Duolingo language learning app. We have another product which is called the Duolingo English Test. Basically, this is if you live in the United States, you may just not know about this, but worldwide, billions of dollars are spent by people having to take tests to prove that they know English. There's many reasons why you may need to take such tests. For example, if you apply to come to a college here in the United States, you may need to take a test that proves that you know English. And we basically made our own test a few years ago called the Duolingo English Test. And the big innovation of our test versus all these other tests is that ours you can take online, whereas the usual English proficiency exams you had to go to a physical testing center. During the pandemic, we got a lot of institutions accepting our test. For example, a lot of universities now accept our test. If you look, for example, at the top 20 U.S. universities according to U.S. News and World Report, these are the very fancy names like Stanford and MIT and Princeton, et cetera. 17 of those top 20 accept our test as proof of English proficiency for international students. That's an interesting part of our business. It's going to continue growing. It's about 9% of our revenue now.
Oh, that's fascinating. Luis, you did talk about your freemium model as well. That has been great at bringing users into the Duolingo ecosystem, more than 500 million downloads, but converting them to paying customers has been a little tougher. Only 3% of users pay for that premium service. How important is it for you to grow that rate, and what's the strategy there?
Yeah, so actually it's about 5% of our monthly active users pay for the premium service. We feel pretty good about that. That penetration keeps growing, so and it seems to be growing about 1 percentage point per year. So 1 year ago it was 4%, and about 2 years ago it was 3%. We get more and more people subscribing by basically us adding more features to the premium offering. Turning off ads is just one feature. We've added many more, and we think that over time that's just going to continue going up. We see, for example, our business model is pretty similar to the dating apps, where you can use it entirely for free. But if you use it for free, you have to see some ads, and then you can pay to subscribe to get a few perks. The dating apps, if you look at a Match or a Bumble, they have about 10 to 15% of their active users paying to subscribe. We think that's a place we can get to.
Yeah, there might even be a partnership there. If you learn more languages, you might have more options on dating apps. Luis Von Ahn, as we await that first trade of Duolingo. Thank you.